Hey guys, it's Allison. How are you? I am home in Connecticut for the weekend. I just love being in Connecticut for the fall, so I am going to make this like a follow me around vlog. I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I'm gonna go to the flea market maybe. Gonna go to a fall festival. Just going around town. So I figured I'd take you guys with me. So if you want to see where I end up, keep on watching. Oh, and also let me know if you want a toot for this makeup look. It was so easy using our Tarte Toasted palette. That is all. Also, I'm so fall today. This is my fit, my OOTD. Little hat, Amazon. Shirt, Target. Overalls, Amazon. And flannel, Old Navy. All right, let's go. Okay, so Fall Festival was a bust. It turns out it was more of a tractor show. Ain't nothing wrong with a good tractor show, but I was expecting some like apple cider donuts, you know, some ciders and stuff like that, but now, not really sure what we're gonna do. To be continued. When in doubt, get some ice cream. Delicious. All these pear trees and you can't quite seem to grow a pear. Got myself a bushel. Gonna get some apple cider donuts, maybe some hard cider, and call it a day. Alright, so I'm home now and I wanted to do a little thrift store haul. And I don't have my tripod, so I am just holding this up. My arm's gonna get so tired if I don't do this fast. Okay, so first I got a Nike dry fit long sleeve shirt, which I have to wash everything, but I figured this was good for working out, and it was $3, a Nike dry fit long sleeve shirt. Lots of bargain. Next, I got some Levi mom jeans, but I think I'm going to cut them into shorts because they're a little like too loose on my thighs and down the leg. So I think I'm just gonna cut them into shorts, which I used to do. Literally, that was my uniform. That's all I used to wear in college. So let me know if you want a video on that too. And these were $4, so that's insane because ones at Urban Outfitters are like 80. All right, next is another Nike. This is like a zip up, like my sock monkeys over here. Sock monkey sheets. My mom put them on my bed. Thanks, Mom. Embarrassing. So I got this Nike fleece zip up. Also for running outside because it's gonna get cold. $5 for a Nike fleece. Next, my favorite thing to wear in the fall are just like button-up shirts and flannels. I just feel like it's easy to make them look casual and it's easy to dress them up. My arms are getting tired, I'm sorry. So I got this like burnt orange corduroy. It's a men's shirt. I usually go to the men's section first. But it is LL Bean. And it was $12, and usually like an LL Bean corduroy shirt would be outrageously expensive. So really fun, really pretty fall color. Last is another button-up, and this one is from Banana Republic, also a men's shirt, and it is like a linen gray button-up. And I wish I could show you. This is what it looks like, pretty much. Just a button-up shirt. I like this by itself, tucked into jeans, or on top of the thing. I like to wear button-ups like open with a tank top underneath. Beach cover-up, you name it. Oh, and this one was $5, Banana Republic. insanity. My mother is very frugal, so I've been to a thrift store or two throughout my lifetime. I like going there in the fall because, like I said, jeans, sweaters, jackets, those are expensive, and it's good to be sustainable and see what's out there in thrift stores before you go and buy them from the big dogs. So found a lot of good stuff. I feel like I saved a shit ton of money. All right, so I hope you guys had a fun day with me. I love fall, I love shopping, I love apples. Yeah, that's the moral of the story. So until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Remember, comment down below if you A, want to see a denim shorts DIY, B, if you want to learn the makeup that I wore today, and 3, just let me know how you guys are feeling. That's it. Gotta go. Bye.